Hello friends, this session my next element is lithium. Lithium is third element in periodic table, atomic number 3, group 1, period 2, block S block element, elemental category alkali metal, electronic configuration 1s2 2s1, electron per cell 2 1. Atomic property of lithium: oxidation state +1, strongly basic oxide, electronegativity Pauling scale 0.98, ionization energy first that is 5 to 0.2 kilojoule per mole, second that is 7 to 98.1 kilojoule per mole, third that is 11815.0 kilojoule per mole, atomic radius empirical 152 pm, covalent radius 128 plus minus 7 pm, van der Waals radius 182 pm. Discovery of lithium by John August Irv Watson 1817. First isolated lithium by William Thomas Brande 1821. Two main isotopes of lithium. First that is 6 lithium, abundance 7.59%. Second that is 7 lithium, 92.41%. Lithium have three important uses. First, primordial. Hydrogen, helium and lithium were the only three elements producing during the Big Bang. Second, batteries. Lithium-ion batteries are used as a power source for our mobile phone and laptops. Third, that is soft metal. Lithium and other metals in group 1 are so soft that then they can be cut with a knife. Lithium and its compound have several industrial applications, including heat resistance, glass and ceramic, lithium greases lubricants, flux additive for iron, steel and aluminum production, lithium batteries, lithium ion batteries. These uses consume more than 3/4 of lithium production. Lithium is present in biological system in trace amount. Its functions are uncertain. Lithium salts have proven to be useful as a mood stabilizing drug in the treatment of bipolar disorder in humans. Some other use, that is lithium is mixed with oil to make all purpose and high temperature lubricants. Lithium is blended with aluminum, copper, manganese and cadmium to make high functioning blend for aircraft. Lithium hydroxide is used to absorb carbon dioxide in space vehicles. In ceramic and glass, lithium oxide is widely used as a flux for processing silica, reducing the melting point and viscosity of the material and leading to glazes with improved physical property, including low coefficient of thermal expansion. In electrical and electronics late in 20th century, lithium became an important component of a battery electrolytes and electrode because of its high electrode potential. A typical lithium-ion battery can generate approximately 3 volt per cell, compared with the 2.1 volt for lead acid and 1.5 volt for zinc carbon. In lubricating greases, the third most common use of lithium is in greases. Lithium hydroxide is a strong base and when heated with fat, produce a soap made of lithium stearate. Lithium soap has the ability to thicken oil and it is used to manufacture all-purpose high-temperature lubricating greases. In metallurgy, lithium as a form of lithium carbonate is used as an additive to continuous casting mold flux slag where it increases fluidity, a use which accounts for 5% of global lithium use. Lithium components are also used as additive fluxes to foundry sand for iron casting to reduce veining. Lithium as a lithium fluoride is used as an additive to aluminum smelters Hall-Héroult process, reducing the melting temperature and increases electrical resistance, a use which accounts for 3% of production. In organic and polymer chemistry, organolithium compounds are widely used in the production of polymer and fine chemicals. In the polymer industry, which is the dominant consumer of these reagents, alkyl lithium compounds are catalyst or initiator in anionic polymerization of unfunctionalized olefins. For the production of fine chemical, organolithium compound functions as a strong base and as a reagent for the formation of a carbon-carbon bonds. In military applications, metallic lithium and its complex hydrides such as lithium aluminum hydride are used as a high energy additive to rocket propellant. Lithium aluminum hydride can also be used by itself as a solid fuel. The most important use in medicines. Lithium is useful in the treatment of bipolar disorders. Lithium salt may also be helpful for the related diagnosis such as schizoaffective disorder and cyclic major depression. The active part of these salts is lithium ion. They may increase the risk of developing a Western cardiac anomaly in infants born to women who take lithium during the first trimester of pregnancy. Lithium has also been researched as a possible treatment for the cluster headaches. Biological roles of lithium. Primary food source of lithium are grains and vegetables, and in some areas drinking water also contains significant amount. Human intake varies depending on the location and diet. Lithium was first detected in the human organ and fetal tissues in the late 19th century. In human, there is a no defined lithium deficiency diseases, but low lithium intake from water supplies were associated with increased rate of suicides, homicides, and arrest rate for drug use and other crimes. The biochemical mechanism of action of lithium appear to be multifactorial and are intercorrelated with the functions of several enzymes, hormones, and vitamins, as well as with the growth and transforming factor. Some lithium compounds are used for various purposes. First, lithium stearate transform oil into lithium-based lubricant greases. Extensive use in automotive industries. Second, lithium carbonate, special glasses and ceramic glazes, mood stabilizing drug. Lithium chloride and bromide, brazing and welding fluxes, air conditioning system. Lithium hydroxide increases capacity of alkaline storage cells. This figure shows lithium-ion batteries convert lithium air batteries by the using of outside oxygen. One of the important point, over 80% of lithium ion battery material can now be recycled. Thank you.